My name is Coretta. I'm a junior here at BHS, and I've been a peer mediator for the past 2 years.
I'm Lincoln. I'm a senior at BHS, and I've also been a peer mediator for the past 2 years. What restorative practices mean to me? It's a really good alternative for students to express it's a good way for students to express their feelings with someone that they're in a minor conflict with, and also it's a really good way to build community.
Important in schools because it helps better our relationships with staff and student, and it helps better reduce suspension in schools, and it helps repair harm to understand what you did wrong and why it affects other people. And
Peer mediation is a group of students trained in restorative practices and confidentiality who can provide support to other students. It's one way that the school district values student leadership because it gives us a chance to talk to people our age without getting suspended and expelled for things that may happen.
Yeah, she basically summed it up well. It's sometimes hard for students to open up to adults, and so peer mediation is a way that they can open up to people more their age and maybe people that they're more comfortable talking to things about.
Thank you.
Restorative practices build community by teaching people how to practice open-mindedness and accountability. It's important to repair harm because problems can be addressed in a productive way using this.
Yeah, I agree with that. Let's say you and your friend got in a fight and you've been friends for 5-6 years. I think it would be more harmful to just let your friendship go like that over something little. So I think it's important to talk to them with maybe a person or two there. For example, in my AP Lit class, our teacher has us start doing by games or reading something together as a group, so we group up into pairs or more. And it's silly at some points, but it's a really good way to build community.
For me, restorative practices allow me and my friends to get to the roots of any problems we may have without punitive measures.
Thank you. What is peer mediation?
to have youth partnerships in a lot of many ways, because if you're serving youth, you should have their voice, and that's very important for youth. And I think it's also important to always have your voice valued. So knowing that an adult wants to hear what you're saying and wants to know what you think about certain things that might affect you later is very important.